Hello my friends. I'm going to try a cloud pour with some leftover paints today. And first I want to show you something. I don't know if I've mentioned that I've been dog sitting for a couple of weeks now. And since I can't paint over there, in the evening I have been drawing the dogs. So I've just finished it in time. The owners are returning tomorrow. And here they are. This is colored pencil drawing of Lily, Toby, Scooter, Finnegan, and Jack. And I got this great picture of all 5 of them looking at me, and it just tells their personalities. Toby thinks he's in charge, so he's small, but he was right up close to the camera. Lily's very shy, and Jack is very standoffish and timid. So he was walking away but turned around to look, so it was a perfect shot, and I was able to complete this drawing in time. So that was fun. So, whoops, I forgot my gloves. Okay, so as I said, I'm using leftover paints. I had some greens and purples left over from, I think it was a swipe. I didn't do a video on it. And then I mixed up some cloud mix with just satin enamel, Floetrol, and a bit of water. I'll put the details down below. But the colors are mixed with the Floetrol glue and water. So I don't know what to expect. I thinned them out with water so they're all about the same consistency. And we'll just see what happens. So I've got some Dioxazine Purple here. I think I'll pour it in side by side with this lovely, it was an Arteza Pearl something. I don't recall what. I think I used it up, so I don't remember. And here's the cloud mix. I'll pour from up high. It's pretty thick. It's just sitting on top. And then we've got some Dioxazine Purple with white. Don't have too much of that. And a dark green. This was a couple of Soho greens that I combined. I'll forget the side-by-side thing. Cloud mix. Oh, good. That's what I expected, that it would kind of meld throughout. Okay, that's the end of that. Dark green, light green. What was that called? I can't remember. Oh, maybe it was sage green, Pearl Sage Green. I think that was it. And maybe some of the cloud mix. And top it off with the rest of this purple, and I can be done with these paints. I love using leftovers. Okay. And here we go. Oh, I like that. That's pretty. Two purples. Okay. Well, seeing a little cloud action there. Let's move it around. Hmm. Hmm. Not doing much for me. What can I do? No. Hmm. I didn't care for a shape I saw there, so I'm running most of it off. And now we got another one. Hmm. thinking I can embellish this and save it. Like a white rose right here. Might be very pretty. Or lavender rose. White rose with lavender undertones. All right, I don't think it's scrapable. I think it's worth keeping. It's just not what I pictured. But when is it ever? Not very often. It's okay. All right, I'll let it percolate for a bit, and then I'll take a picture at the end.